Cardano just went through probably its biggest launch in its life cycle to date. Now, what I'm referring to is the launch of the algorithmic stablecoin DJED on the Cardano network. Now, you may think, oh yeah, stablecoin, not really that big of a deal. This is the first stablecoin to launch on the Cardano network, and it was met with open arms. In fact, if we look at the charts when this launched, which was back here, we can see that ever since then, the price is actually up about 10%, capping at about 15% of an increase. This is a great thing when you look at it just being the course of a couple days. Now, this was a really big deal for one simple reason. It helps bring adoption to Cardano. Now, if we look at an area that has really struggled when it comes to Cardano, that is TVL, or total value locked. Now, since the start of 2023, this has been a really low number. It's been a low number for quite some time in comparison to other chains. You would expect there to be a lot more draw to the network, a lot more people wanting to use it. Well, what this does now is this brings developers, it brings users. It really creates this whole self-sufficient, self-functioning ecosystem now in Cardano. You don't need the use of bridges anymore. It's a great thing for the network. And in fact, you can see that the TVL for Cardano actually jumped about $25 million since the stablecoin was launched. This is why this is such a big deal. But the thing you have to remember is that the roadmap for Cardano is still a long one. Okay, this is just getting started. And in fact, 2023 looks like it's going to be an amazing year for Cardano. There's so many rollouts happening between, its other stablecoin, USDA, which is a fiat-backed stablecoin, the first regulatory compliant stablecoin that will exist in the Cardano ecosystem, and I believe in all of crypto. You have side chains like Hydra for scalability. You have Midnight for privacy. There's so many things that are coming for the Cardano network that you can't help but pay attention to it. It's a very exciting time for all those who have been watching, and the rewards are coming. So as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research when it comes to this, but we appreciate you as always. Appreciate you stopping in, checking out the video here on the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely make sure you show your support, show your love, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.